Alright, I am in Lansing, Michigan at the R.E. Olds Museum, the Oldsmobile Museum. I don't think I've ever been to this part of town before. It's actually quite nice, downtown Lansing, nicer than I anticipated. Ooh, high output 4-banger. I don't think I've ever seen one of these.
But no, he misses the record by less than a mile an hour.
I had no real expectations, but I've never been here, so I figured, hey, since I'm in the area. So Regatta, yeah, these are nice. These are actually quite nice cars. What? This has an engine in the back? Are you serious? Are you for real? This thing really has 2 engines? Get out. Okay, I did not expect to see something like this. That's pretty next level. That is pretty next level. If I ever find one of these old rocket engines for sale, I'm definitely buying one. I think those are only going up in value. And of course, the Olds Cutlass Supreme Darth Vader. That is sick. Dude. How come I've never seen that before? That is bonkers. I am digging this. Look at that. It's got this sweet little spoiler on the back. Dude, that is dope. Alright, they have the nicest G-body in existence here. Nice. I think this was worth the trip already. These cars are kind of unique and distinctive. I'm not going to say it's the best looking car, but they're pretty cool. Definitely for their time, very distinctive cars. Oh, the EV1. The car that GM forced everyone to sell back to GM. Look at this thing. So that's cool. That's all milled out of one solid block. Nice. That's pretty epic. Somebody spent a lot of time machining that. Oldsmobile Inline Six. Boy, when was the last time they made an Inline Six? Huh. Okay, experimental non-production. Okay. I'm like, when did that exist? Never. I don't say much about this one other than it was an experimental engine. This is the last Oldsmobile V8. Oh, I didn't. Production went all the way until 1990. Wow. I did not know that. I thought the Oldsmobiles ended in like 79 or 80. I thought that was the last actual Oldsmobile engine. Interesting. High output quad 4. Wow, interesting. I mean, oh, look at this. That is sweet. This is another experimental engine. I can't figure out why they did the exhaust ports like this. This is a mystery to me. That's just a mystery, but whatever. See, I always assumed that the old, like back in the day in '95, that the Olds Aurora V8 would have been the same as the Cadillac Northstar V8, but it is not the same. And the Vista Cruiser from that '70s show. It's a rarity these days. Ooh, the Starfire. These are sweet. You don't see these anymore either. These were such a good looking car. Such a good looking car. I mean, in '63, this was so clean. I mean, it was clean. It was stylish. I mean, it had just enough to kind of make it pop, you know? These should be way more sought after than they actually are, because these are very nice looking cars. I think these were just very tastefully done. Very, very tastefully done. Okay. Win this car? What? I may have to enter that. I may have to buy a ticket for that.